We're entering the ultimate separation season, which is this window of time in the holidays. It kind of started around Thanksgiving when everybody starts taking time off. They start cooling it. They don't show up to work like they did if they're an entrepreneur. They're not really hustling. They start making all these excuses in their mind. Well, clients don't want to meet with me during the holidays, so I'm going to take a bunch of time off. I'm going to do the same thing. And that's when they get weak. They flinch. And when they do that, bam, you blow their doors off because you keep pushing and separate yourself during that time. And if you can get even more disciplined, more focused, you can begin to lap people that are in front of you. You can separate yourself from other people, your competition, but you can also separate yourself from where you are, from the standards you've set. The sad thing in life is people think they have to make these massive, dramatic changes in order to create the catalyst for long-term change. Most massive changes are simple, fine-tuning type carburetor adjustments that we make that end up overhauling the engine of our life long-term if we're willing to get creative and innovative. So it's important not only to do separation season, it's important to give yourself credit and be intentional about it when you do it. We're not separating from where we are because there's something wrong with us. That's not the reason. You're exactly the way you're supposed to be because that's exactly who you are right now. All you can do is start from where you are. One day at a time, one more at a time, and separate. And guess what? In a year, you'll be exactly the woman or man you're supposed to be at that time. And we'll be talking about separating from there as well. If you want to move apart from where you are currently, it's what you're going to do now, right now, and into next year that's going to make the difference. This isn't just about competing against other people. It's separating yourself from where you currently are, which is what all of you want to do. It's called growing. Growing is separating yourself from your current condition to the next level. That's the journey of life. We're either growing or we're dying, right? And I want you to grow, and we grow by separating.